When it comes to working in your garage during the colder months, a reliable heater can make all the difference. Whether you're tackling projects or simply spending time in the space, finding the best garage heater is essential for comfort and productivity. In this video, we'll explore top-rated options that can turn your chilly garage into a warm and inviting environment all year round. Let's dive in. BRIZA Infrared Electric Patio Heater. Looking for the perfect gift for someone who enjoys working in their garage or simply needs a reliable way to stay warm during the colder months? The BRIZA Infrared Electric Patio Heater is an excellent choice. It offers a versatile and efficient heating solution that's ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, making it perfect for garages, sheds, or patios. With its sleek design and thoughtful features, it's a practical gift that provides comfort throughout the year. The BRIZA Infrared Electric Patio Heater is powered by 1,500 watts, delivering quick and effective warmth with its carbon infrared technology, which mimics the sun's natural heat. This results in radiant heat that is absorbed by the surrounding surfaces, ensuring a comfortable, consistent temperature in your space. What truly sets the BRIZA apart is its flexibility. It can be mounted on walls or ceilings with the provided hardware, or placed on a tripod stand for portability, making it adaptable to various environments. With 3 adjustable heat levels, 900 watts, 1200 watts, and 1500 watts, this heater lets you customize the warmth to suit your needs. Plus, with the included remote control, you can easily adjust the settings from a distance. The BRIZA is also built with safety in mind, featuring an automatic shut-off if tipped over, and an IP55 rating that ensures it can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. With a built-in timer that can be set for up to 9 hours, you won't have to worry about forgetting to turn it off. Overall, the BRIZA Infrared Electric Patio Heater is an impressive and reliable option for keeping your garage or workspace warm, making it the perfect gift for anyone who loves spending time in their garage, no matter the weather. Mr. Heater Air Heater. The Mr. Heater Propane Forced Air Heater is a reliable and powerful solution for anyone needing fast and efficient heat, whether it's for a job site, garage, or outdoor space. Built tough, this heater delivers an impressive 30,000 to 60,000 BTU output, warming areas up to 1,500 square feet. Whether you're tackling a cold winter's day in a large workspace or just need some extra warmth in your outdoor area, this unit is up to the task. One standout feature is its quiet burner technology, which makes this heater 50% quieter than standard propane model, reducing noise while still delivering solid heat. For extended use, it runs on a standard 20-pound propane tank and can operate for up to 14 hours on low heat. This makes it ideal for those long days when you need heat that lasts. The rugged steel construction ensures that this heater is durable and built to handle tough conditions. Plus, with a high temperature limit switch and continuous ignition, safety is a top priority. The inclusion of a 10-foot hose and regulator makes setup a breeze, and the portability of the unit ensures it can be easily moved where it's needed most. For anyone who needs a durable, portable, and quiet propane heater, the Mr. Heater MH60QFAV is a top choice. Its efficiency, combined with thoughtful safety features, makes it a standout product in its category. Comfort Zone Ceiling Mount Heater. Next up, we have the Comfort Zone Ceiling Mount Heater, an ideal heating solution for your garage or workshop. This ceiling-mounted heater is built for tough environments, offering an impressive 34,120 British thermal units of heat output, making it perfect for large, uninsulated spaces up to 1,000 square feet. Its fan-forced air system ensures that heat is evenly distributed across the room, eliminating cold spots and providing consistent warmth where you need it most. One of the standout features of this model is its precise temperature control. With a built-in digital thermostat and a 12-hour programmable timer, you can easily set the desired temperature for optimal comfort and energy efficiency. The remote control feature also makes it convenient to adjust settings from across the room, saving you time and effort. Durability is key with the Comfort Zone heater, as it's constructed with a heavy-gauge steel body and fully sheathed heating element, ensuring long-lasting performance in demanding environments. The enclosed motor also offers added protection against dust and debris, which is essential in a workshop or garage setting. In terms of safety, this heater has all the bases covered, featuring power and caution indicator lights, as well as an overload switch for peace of mind during operation. It's designed for easy ceiling installation, and once mounted, you can count on reliable and consistent heat for hours of work or leisure. For a robust and efficient heating solution, the Comfort Zone stands out as a top choice. Mr. Heater Big Buddy Pro. The Mr. Heater Big Buddy Pro Propane Heater is a game changer when it comes to reliable and efficient heating for medium to large spaces. Designed for versatility, this radiant heater can be used both indoors and outdoors, making it an ideal solution for everything from workshops to camping trips. Equipped with 3 adjustable heat settings, 4,000, 9,000, and 18,000 BTU, the Big Buddy allows you to tailor the warmth based on your needs. Whether you're heating a small room or a larger space, this heater provides steady and efficient heat distribution. The integrated oxygen depletion sensor and accidental tip-over shutoff ensure that safety is never compromised, giving you peace of mind while operating the unit in various environments. One standout feature is its dual propane connection, which allows for extended operation using 2 1-pound propane cylinders. The Big Buddy also includes a built-in BRIZA sparking mechanism, making it incredibly easy to ignite. While it's designed to be portable, its compact form factor and rugged build make it durable enough to withstand rough environments. However, it's essential to keep in mind that this heater is not suitable for use at altitudes above 7,000 feet, as it may shut off. Despite this limitation, the Mr. Heater Big Buddy Pro Series offers exceptional value for those looking for a portable and reliable heating solution in both indoor and outdoor settings. ISILER Portable Indoor Heater. Introducing the ISILER 1500-watt Portable Indoor Heater, your go-to solution for cozy warmth during cold days. This compact and efficient space heater combines powerful functionality with sleek design, making it ideal for small rooms, offices, and even garages. With a ceramic heating element and 1,500 watts of power, it provides quick and even heat across spaces up to 108 square feet, ensuring a comfortable environment in no time. What sets the ISILER heater apart is its safety features. It's built with V0 flame-resistant materials and comes equipped with tip-over and overheat protection functions, so you can enjoy worry-free warmth. If the heater tips over or overheats, it will automatically shut off to prevent accidents, offering peace of mind for families, children, and pets. The adjustable thermostat allows you to control the temperature between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you full control over your comfort. Its lightweight design and compact size make it easy to transport and fit into tight spaces, whether in the living room or bedroom. In conclusion, the ISILER 1500-watt portable indoor heater is a fantastic option for anyone looking for an affordable, efficient, and safe heating solution. It's simple to use, packed with safety features, and perfect for small spaces. If you want a reliable and user-friendly heater, this is the one to beat.